Install starter motor. Install the bolts. Use 8mm spanner. Tighten the bolts. Install the dipstick. Insert the spark plug. Install special tool. Tighten the spark plug. Remove the tool. Shroud intake and exhaust. Install the baffle to the sides of block piston assembly. Ensure to match the chain tensioner side baffle. Use star screwdriver. Tighten the screws. Engine shroud fitment. Install the shroud matching lugs. Tighten the screws. Install gear shifter spring. Inlet manifold fitment. Use new gasket. Install the inlet manifold. Tighten the bolts. Apply torque.